Good morning. Welcome to Hindu Editorial Analysis Series presented by Diction Addiction. Today's topic is Excellence in Diversity on scrapping of reservation in IIT recruitment. Moderator Dr. KPS Human. The significant expansion of IIT system since 2008 after reservation was extended to student candidates belonging to the other backward classes has resulted in a vexed situation in which these institutions are unable to find enough qualified faculty members whose recruitment must also meet quota norms. Bound by the Central Education Institution Act 2019, the IITs must fulfill the important goal of affirmative action while making appointments. While the law is enabling, the benefit cannot be extended to many due to severe mismatch between the demand and availability of technology research graduates. Last year, IIT Delhi had staggering deficit of 30% in its teachers rank, and there are 23 such institutes in India now, highlighting the scale of the crisis. In this context of large-scale vacancies, that Education Ministry asked a committee to suggest effective implement in central institutions such as IITs for both student enrollment and faculty recruitment. The panel, headed by IIT Delhi's director, has come up with two options: to exempt IITs from quotas by including them in the schedule to the 2009 law, which is applicable to institutions of excellence, research institutions, and institutions of national and strategic importance, and to provide reservation to specific grades of assistant professors, taking the institution as whole, where candidates are not available in the latter case. The post can be de-reserved in the subsequent year. An early decision must now be taken by the government without sacrificing the equity principles. Diversity achieved through the affirmative action, such as compensatory discrimination in favor of some classes of citizens, corrects the historical distortion. For it to be fully realized, however, the concomitant is massive investments in the education system at all levels, which can raise the capability of students. It's now widely recognized that substituting traditional privilege with opportunity and right facilities dispels the myth of innate merit. Such an approach ensures justice for those who are deprived. The ministry's committee echoes this when it recommends a government-sponsored preparatory program at the IITs, which can help candidates eligible for reservation to get acquainted with high-quality academic work and optionally prepare for a PhD if they aspire to be a teachers. This is the imperative. Considering that such graduates will help fill not just vacancies in the IITs, but also aid the large number of other technical education institutions that aspire to research excellence. Government must aim for progressive redistribution, for which policies should actively expand equal opportunity, starting with a strong liberal public school system. This will strengthen diversity and lay the foundation for the kind of scholarship that institutions of excellence need. Final comment from moderator. Whatever IIT Delhi director lead committee recommendations cannot implemented by central government in any institute or university in a haste. Because the recommendation violates the equal opportunity and jeopardize the diversity in the faculty paternity. Instead, central government can take the lead to strengthen the deprived section by providing free education with all facilities from KG to PhD. That will solve the problem of shortage of faculty in all institutions and universities in the India. The highlighted words are explained, their usage and the meaning and pronunciation in the other video. You can follow the other videos for that purpose. If at all you like, just leave a comment. That will motivate to get more videos. Thank you.